Team conversations are great for collaboration, but sometimes you need to talk privately. In Chat, you can have one-on-one chats or group chats with your teammates. To start a new chat, click the new chat icon at the top of the app, then type the name of the person or people you want to reach. Click the down arrow on the right to give the chat a name. This helps when you have a few group chats going with different sets of people. When you want to call someone directly from a chat, click Video Call or Audio Call in the top right corner. This also works for calling a group. On the left side of the app, there's a list of your most recent conversations. When you want to stay on top of the chat, click the three dots, then Favorite. This keeps it in the Favorites list on the left. In some cases, you can call anyone from Teams using calls, even if they're not using Teams. Your organization has to allow this and give you an enterprise voice license. But if you've got this set up, it's pretty handy. In calls, you can also see your call history and check voicemail. Don't have calls? Don't worry. Any missed calls and voicemail will show up in your activity feed. Chat and calls give you everything you and your team need to stay in touch.